Hi, I'm Naveksha. My teammate is Rahul, and our project is Book Buddies. There are about 130 million books in the world, and an average book costs about $18. Studies show that an average reader buys about 12 books per year, but rarely do readers reread a book. So, what do we do with used books? The sad reality is about 320 million copies of books are thrown in trash each year, while others end up catching dust on bookshelves, used for paper bags, or sold for half the price in bookstores where it may or may not be picked up again. Overall, the actual value of a good book is diminished greatly. Book Buddies is a platform where readers can offer the books that they have read and ask for books they would like to read next. The users can see each other's bucket list and exchange books. It can be used in groups of different sizes, from smaller book clubs, libraries, to very large universities or a nationwide library. The current database and app caters to novels but can be easily extended to carry course books as well as handwritten notes. This gives readers a free resource to read as many books as they like and give out their used books to other readers, saving money, shelf space, and catering to their hobby efficiently. Being avid readers ourselves, we can't wait for IU to adopt Book Buddies and inculcate or reignite the passion of reading among Hoosiers. So let's see the app.
So moving on to the app, first the backend. So this is a global database which stores the books and all the details related to it. The next is the users database. Right now we have just one user, and the token database has the token associated with that user, which will be used for authentication purposes. So moving on to the front end, the very first page that user will be navigated to will be the sign up page. Let's say our user signs up with Suraj and the password is Suraj and confirms with Suraj. So now the password is the user is successfully registered. Now we can see the user in the backend and the user is there. Although all the details of the user is missing because we have not inserted any of the details. Now we'll log into this user and we can edit the details, which will be a second page and the third page. So suraj@gmail.com and Suraj Punjabi. So now the details are there. So we should see it in the backend. We'll refresh the database and all the details are there. Moving on to the third page, which will be our exchange page, which user can navigate either from the cell or the exchange in the top bar. So user should not enter any of the books to be similar. We are taking care of it. Also, we have implemented an inline search using which the user can search in this so that they don't have to scroll all the way down. Once the search is done and the user puts all the 4 distinct books, then he will go on to exchange the books, and we should see in the backend that the Suraj has made an entry of decision is nomadi, and the exchange is complete for now. So the right now we have 4 pages, the books pages, which can sort the details in the ascending descending order based on any column we want. We can decrease the spacing, we can increase the number of rows, we can go to different pages, and we can go to the profile page and we can see our profile, we can edit our profile, we can make the exchange. So the part that is remaining is on the index page, we'll be showing all the books that are currently pending. So all the transactions of exchange. On the about page, we'll be showing the various graphs for the users for the transactions that are settled and that are pending. On the profile page, we'll be showing the pending transactions for that specific user. Thank you.